Hello, my beautiful Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we, my darlings? How's the family? How are the children? How's hubby? How's mommy? And how is daddy? My mother just turned 81. Can you believe it? Yes, she's still going strong. So beautiful. And I'm just so grateful. And I'm really, really happy. Yeah, she's an October baby. There are so many October babies in our family. Adrian being the first, then Ronke, and then my mom. As a matter of fact, my mother said that she tried to keep Ronke in. Ronke said, nah, I'm coming out. So Ronke is the 20th of October and my mom is the 26th. Anyway, welcome back to yet another episode on fabulous low heel shoes. I wear them all the time. As a matter of fact, they are more prominent in my lifestyle as opposed to the high heels. The high heels, honest to goodness, is for photo shoots and it's for red carpet. That is it. But I'm a mom, I'm doing the school runs, I'm playing with Adrian, Ula and I are going out. I go out to events and all kinds of other stuff. I go for my meetings, blah, blah, blah. And I wear low heel shoes because they're practical, because they're sensible, because they are comfortable. So, without a beat, darling, I am going to give you low heels and or flats that you should have in your wardrobe at any stage, at any age in your life. But if you're in your 50s, you should absolutely have these in your wardrobe. Do we live, do we love, darlings? Well, you know, it is autumn, it's fall, so we're bringing out the velvets. This jacket I got at H&M. I cannot remember. I bought it out from storage and I was like, oh wow. And then we have the beautiful fuchsia pink earrings and I matched that up with a lip. I think this is Huda Beauty. And just a simple eye, you know, just a little thing in the crease, and the hair is just pulled back, as you can see, in a bun. T-shirt and you're good to go with some fabulous pants. Yes, sis. Alrighty, let's go for the list. Number one tip. Before we start, try to steer away from round-toed shoes, apart from sneakers. Anything round-toe doesn't give that finesse, doesn't give that sharpness, doesn't give that vogue, doesn't give that style, doesn't give that glam. You can have pointed shoes, you can have square-toed shoes, you can have angled shoes, but the round toe, it loses. They're cute, they're nice, you know, for ballet slippers, for pumps, but for shoes, round, it doesn't quite hit the mark. So that's just a little tip for you when you go shopping. Well, let's start. Todd's driving shoes with a rubber sole. Beautiful. Gorgeous. You can wear them with a cropped trouser, with a long trouser. You can wear it with a skirt. They come in a variety of different textures, from patent leather, textured leather. They come in all colors. You would love this. And why I brought this particular shoe is because of the rubber sole. There is nothing, my darlings, like having a rubber sole, because that's the comfort for you. I have had Todds forever. As a matter of fact, I have two. I'll show you. There you go. So as you can see, you have the blue. Look at the blue. Love these. And then I have what? I have the black. What I love about this is the comfort. It's the rubber at the bottom of it. Fantastic. Then you have pumps, and you can have flat pumps and you can have with a little baby heel. Chanel is good for that because they have the two-tone with the cream and the black. It is such a classic shoe. It is such a fabulous shoe that I could wear even with what I'm wearing right now. It just works. Beautiful. The round toe can work with the pump. It's gorgeous. It's so easy from your casual day to going to work. These will work. These will work. It will work for your everyday at work, especially for those that insist on you wearing a heel. This will work. So you can have your flat, and then you can have just like a baby heel. Sneakers. Get a pair of fabulous sneakers. What I do, I buy a black pair of sneakers, so it doubles up like a kind of shoe. And then I have maybe, you know, fun color sneaker, go right ahead and have 2 pairs. Have a dark, have a light. Always have sneakers. Sneakers, again, it works with your jeans. It works when you're rushing to work and you want to take your heels off and you want to give your feet a rest as you are going home. You're still looking smart. You're still looking decent. Lovely, decent pair of sneakers. And the dark ones, well, as you very well know, they don't show up that much, so they look great. Penny loafers. Why not? Penny loafers are fabulous. You can wear, again, to work. You can wear them when you're going out. They look fabulous on a pair of trousers. They're so smart. Where you think, I don't even want to have that little heel. Loafers. Any kind of loafers, they are beautiful. Absolutely beautiful to wear. Wedge heels. Wedges, comfort. Wedges, stylish. I love my wedges. I have high-heeled, I have low-heeled wedges, and they work for me. You want that little bit of a height where you have to wear a heel at work, look smart, conferences, meetings, and stuff like that. Go for the wedge. Why? Because there are a lot of times when you go for these cocktails and you have to stand. And you're like, oh my God, I can stand in those wedges. Wedges are a necessity. It takes the strain off of my legs. That's what it is. Moving on, my darling, kitten heels. Kitten heel, kitten heel, kitten heel, kitten heel. You can have designer kitten heels and you can have Zara kitten heels. Let me show you. I live for kitten heels. Zara kitten heel. It works. Glamorous. It's got the glitter. It's got the pizzazz. It works. Dior kitten heel. Love these. You want a little bit of fun? These work as well. Zara pop of color. It's a gorgeous, yummy pink kitten heel. Love these. And I can walk forever in these. Saint Laurent kitten heel. And I love this because you can dress all the way onto the ankle. It works. This is my latest one. How fabulous is this? These studs, my darlings. Just look. So you can get kitten heels everywhere and anywhere. What's the kitten heel? The kitten heel is this. That's what they call kitten, you know, the baby cat. So it's just like a baby heel. That's what we're referring to. You go ahead, mama, spoil yourselves, have this. You are good to go. You can wear this to dinner with your skirts. You can wear it with a dress, with your wrap dresses. You can wear this with trousers. A kitten heel is always elegant. It's so elegant. And it will always be a classic and always timeless. The sandal. Just a low-heeled sandal. And those you can wear in the summer months. I see a lot of people wear them also in autumn. If you really want to be stylish, you can wear it with your socks and a sandal on top of it. They work. They absolutely work. And you know what? You show off your fabulous pedicure. Can you see? I'm making an effort because you guys are like, Fumi, get your manicure. So I'm getting my little manicure. So have your beautiful sandal. Another is a mule. If you feel that you just want to slide into that heel and go, I am right there with you, my darlings. Here is just a slide on mule. Beautiful, easy, and it's elegant. And you know you can have all kinds of accessories in front, and you can have your little bows, you can have glitter, you can have your rhinestones. You can do this. Let me tell you guys, and this is facts. There is no shoe brand that I know of that do high heels and don't have an option for a low heel. And dare I say, I am almost certain that they sell their low heels more than they do the high. I love my high heel, don't get me wrong. But as you can see, I am a low heel flat shoe addict because 90% of my life, it really is this. You get dressed, you get gorgeous and everything. And I am all about minimizing at this stage. I'm a mom. I still want to look good. I'm a mom. As you can see, I've got my hair into a little bun. Sometimes I'll put a ponytail. Sometimes I'll wear a wig. But this is me. Plus a nice popper lip. Boom, boom, boom. I've got my low heel. I'm out the door. I'm out the door. Boots. Who doesn't love a good boot? Let me see whether I have any boots here for you guys. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Hold on. Here, my darlings, is a boot. Simple boot. And as you can see, it's a decent heel. You have options out there, my darlings. The thing here is that you want to make sure that your shoes that you take are more of a pointed, angled, because that's what gives the fabulosity, that's what gives the glamour. Can you see? Majority of them are pointed. When they're pointed, it does look smarter. I think that's what it is. And so that way you look dressed from head to toe. So have that on the back of your head, okay? Low platform boots. Now, you know you can have those big platforms, but you can have low platform boots so that it's all even at the bottom and you'll be comfortable with those. They're very stylish, they are very, very fun, and majority of the time you will gravitate to these when you're going out and you'll always be dressed. I think what it is when we go out, we want to look complete. We really want to look dressed and smart and nice. And we struggle with the footwear. The footwear is what kicks everything off. Kicks everything off. If you're not smartly dressed from head to toe, you can see that something is missing. Now, here's the issue. You're under the impression you have to have a high heel to look fabulous. That is absolutely not true. As a matter of fact, on the contrary, think about it. If a woman is walking down the street, she is more probably to look ridiculous if she's wearing a high heel, because we automatically know that it's not practical, it's not comfortable, and wherever she's going has to be short distance, because that right there, you're going to scratch the heel, you're bending some kind of way, you're not looking right. So with these suggestions, my darlings, I hope that you can really find what you're looking for out there. This is going to help you in every way, shape or form. And you can find loafers, boots, kitten heels, platforms on every budget. You don't have to wear those beat up shoes. No. And try to polish up your shoes so that they look decent. All right, my darlings, I hope you love this episode. You let me know down in the comment section what are your faves and whether you want me to do yet another episode walking in high heels, because I can teach you. I'm telling you, right from my model days. All right, my darlings, I live for you. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Kiss, kiss, kiss. And I'll see you all very, very soon. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button. Okay? Don't forget now. Bye.